Brand new group, guys. Didn't take long, did it?
Jim, you can shine the light, but don't get this officer.
Yeah.
And take the video.
You see, guys, do we know what we got here? Brazilians?
Yeah, the Brazilians.
Brazilians. See a lot of kids.
1, 2, 3.
I couldn't show you guys the beginning of the video because we literally had just gone back to the truck after filming this, and they were running, and I had a little trouble getting reconnected. So we did end up getting them. We have an undercover BP vehicle here, but we've got another 12, some small children. Again, now if you guys remember, we just sent people for processing. So as you can see, we're empty-handed right now. This capture would not have happened. We have no BP here except for the special duty officer. So this is another 12, less than 7 minutes from the other ones that we caught. And again, these guys were running. I tried to get everything, the chase and stuff like that, but I just couldn't get it for you guys. So you'll have to forgive me. But if you've been paying attention, this is what the typical night is starting to look like, and it's not getting better. It's not slowing down. Oh, I got something to tell you guys, some new information. When the kids go for processing, they are not allowed to fingerprint or photograph the children, okay? I want you guys to understand that, what that means. Basically what it means is you can borrow children, you can recycle children, and obviously, I don't have to tell you guys what else you can do. So you don't have to be afraid of going through the documentation process with your children if they're not yours. So again, what I'd like to see done is I'd like to get a list of children from South America that have been reported missing. Because think about this, guys. We're on a 20-mile square of the border. And think of how long this border is. This is, like I said, it's unbelievable. We're being invaded. I don't know how else to tell you this. And it just doesn't stop. It doesn't stop. So what we're going to have to do, because we've got now 3 Border Patrol trucks tied up, there's going to be a train going by me here. You can see we're right next to the train tracks. So I apologize for the noise. Also, I got word from camp when I went back to the truck. At our camp, there was 8 runners that were dropped off by ATVs into the bowl. And the one Border Patrol agent over there was chasing the illegals, and apparently they lost those guys. Those guys were runners. So, you know, again, when I say that this ties everybody up, and then you got people on the other side of the hill coming in and people chasing people everywhere. You know, that's why when I say if you can help, if there's anything you can do to contribute to what we're doing down here, let people know.